Hello and welcome to the video walkthrough for this lovely 3-bedroom bungalow in Toynbee Close. It's an exceptional location. It's a very quiet cul-de-sac. We've only got a handful of other properties down here. Let me take you on the tour.
In a quiet cul-de-sac where the evenings stay still, there's a place that's been polished with care and goodwill. 3 double beds and it's ready to go, with a garden that stretches and sunlight to show. No onward change, just turn the key. A home with heart and history, log fire glow, patio wide, a conservatory view and space to unwind. Uses an Airbnb, so there's nothing in the way. In lovely condition, it's truly first rate. A wide open garden where stories begin, and a bungalow life you'll be glad to be in.
And so that concludes the tour of this fantastic 3-bedroom detached property. If you're interested in learning more about the property or arranging a visit, please just reach out to us on the contact details to follow, and we'd be delighted to show you around. Thanks for watching.
Just turn the key, a home with heart and history.